This is the 1-gallon no-spill water bowl for dogs, and thanks to the brand for sending it over so I could test it out with my Frenchie, who is a total disaster when it comes to water. He splashes, paws, and even tries to pick up and carry his water bowl, so honestly I was really curious to see if this one could hold up. It's super easy to use. You just fill it up, place the floating disc inside, and then snap on the splash-proof lid. And I love that the lid is shaped so that it catches any stray water so it doesn't slosh over the edge or leave puddles on the floor. The floating disc regulates how much water comes up at a time, which helps slow down drinking and keeps dogs from gulping. For short-snouted dogs like mine, the 1-gallon capacity was perfect. He can fit his whole face in comfortably without bumping the lid. Now, after you've seen how he usually turns water time into a full-on splash zone, this bowl was such a difference. It's made of double-wall stainless steel, and it has a non-slip base that keeps it steady, but its splash-proof paws lid is the thing that changes everything. Even when he tries, he just can't make a mess with this one. The lid blocks those big splashes and keeps the water right where it should be, but it still lets him drink comfortably. No more soaked floors, no more mop duty. The insulated design also keeps his water cooler longer, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. So if you've got a mischievous, water-loving dog who turns drinking time into mop time, this spill-proof stainless steel bowl is a total game changer. It actually stays put, keeps your floors dry, and works perfectly for flat-faced breeds too.